string, list, and many more today. So jumping to the Python string, list, tuples, iterations. So string, as I mentioned earlier, that string is a by definition, a string is a sequence of characters. It's a collection of characters together. There is no char data type kind of thing in Python. It's a single character like A or B or C. This is also a string in terms of the Python. Even this is a single character. So it can be declared by using double quotes as we know. Strings are immutable, they cannot be changed. So this is the limitation with strings, like it's a like a constant value. Once you declare, it cannot be changed. For making a change, you just need to go for that and edit the string once again, and then it will print it out. So this is a string. List is list is a like it's a like an array kind of thing as in other language. And the most good thing is what like in array you need to be defined whether it is a char or the int or the other type. Not char, it's a char of string. But in case of Python, it's not need to be similar kind of data type. It can be mixed as well. Means you can define a numeric as well as a char as well as a string or the other data type as well, or the decimal, or you can say the float as well. And the difference between the string and the list is what? List are mutable by nature. So means it can be altered. Like there are a couple of method or the function you can call to adjust the list as well. Like append, you can do the removal as well as you can go for the indexing as well. So we will see in the next upcoming course. Okay. So this is a simple program. Now it is written. You can see here. I'm going to execute. Now I can explain. You can see here what is happening. I is assigned 1. You can see in the numbers there is no 1. It is not starting with 1, right?
Yeah.
It starts from 2. Why? Because first it checks the value I is assigned 1. So it should I is equal to 1. But the next line is while I is less than 10. So it will execute until unless I is less than 10, right? Now it will execute I plus is equal to 1. So it means I is equal to I plus 1. This plus and equal sign means I is equal to I plus 1. Means I value is already 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So that's why, and after that print I. So that's why this print 2 is appearing. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And up to up to 9, it will check the value. 9 is less than 10, while then 9 is less than 10, but 9 is coming here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 is appearing. But once it go for the 10, what will happen? This condition will be false, right? So
Yeah.
the program will terminate here. You got it? Why it is starting from 2 and printing the 10? Because given the I value is less than 10.
Got it.
Okay, thanks. So, because these are simple logics, generally we, mix up the concept. Now, this was the second small program. This is very simple, which I explained. Like S, this is a string kind of program. And okay, I remember. I didn't share you the code. Do I need to share the code again? These files. Otherwise, I already shared the code in the PPT, so you can execute at your end, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can see here what is happening. S string is hello world. Now for I in S, print I. It is simply printing the I. There is no increment, nothing like that. But the value is we are checking the value in for I. And very interesting thing here, Chanakya. If you see, like if you go to the other like any kind of programming language, you will find out like uh, you need to declare this data type for I, like I is mentioned, but in case of Python, you don't need to declare. Everything you need to declare for S, like a string, you know, string variable, for I also like a integer or the string, everything you need to declare. But in case of Python, it's a, like, very user friendly, and you can see like it is executing one by one. Okay.
Hmm.
Now moving to the for the list as well. So now it is executing for the list as well. In the same way, the concept is what, like we have the list and we print out for the list values as well. Like what we print in the string, in a similar way we can print the list as well. Okay.
Okay.
Now for the last one, for the range, for now for loop we are using